Hello! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Iris and I'm not so crafty. Welcome for both you and me. Oops, I haven't been posting. My bad. But who really misses these, you know? But I'm back. You're back. Let's keep going. Today we're going to be making bath bombs. I've never made a bath bomb, I gotta be honest. I never made a bath bomb, but I follow, I think, in my opinion, really cool YouTube channel. Like I said, I watch a lot of YouTube. So I follow this really cool YouTube channel called What's Up Moms, and I found a bath bomb recipe on their channel. So we're going to try out Brooke's bath bomb recipe. What's Up Moms? So I have my notes. So we gotta do it right? Ingredients. What do we have? Ingredients, we have baking soda, citric acid, cornstarch. I forgot the cornstarch. There. Okay. Epsom salt. Oh. Castor oil. I got black castor oil. I hope that doesn't make a difference. Essential oils and food coloring. Got it? Alright. And we're gonna need 2 bowls. One for the wet ingredients, so it has to be larger, and one for the small ingredients. Measuring cups. Measuring cups. So in a large bowl, I'm gonna mix baking soda, sorry, 1/4 cup of baking soda, seems even enough, right? Next, oh darn, I made a mistake. Okay, math, don't fail me now. Okay, I mean, I was never really good at math. You know, we're just gonna do, put it back. Yeah, start over. It was 1/2 cup of baking soda. Okay, 1/2 cup of baking. Okay, for sure this time. 1/2 cup of citric acid. Let me open this. Would you judge me if I bite it? I don't care. I don't care. It's here. Citric acid, 1/2 cup. Next, cornstarch. 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup. How much did he say for that one? Good enough? Oh my god. It smells delicious. No. Too much. Oh no. Okay, Okay, that's it for this one. So now you gotta whisk it. Whisk. I couldn't find my normal whisk.
So I'm gonna have to whisk it with this one.
Ooh, wow.
Oh.
Ooh. Okay, now in the other one. Okay, now I'm gonna mix castor oil. You also need teaspoons. Okay, so 3 teaspoons of castor oil. 1, 2, 3. 1 teaspoon of essential oils.
Okay. Then I have to measure the drops. How do I measure the drops? Oh, like that.
Faster. Got that. That's good enough. That's too much, but whatever. And food coloring. Doesn't say how much,
So I guess just a few drops.
Okay, mix it. Oh my god, it looks so weird.
Okay. So she said that you have to mix this inside this slowly so it doesn't get activated.
So we're gonna listen.
How slowly is slowly?
Is this slowly enough? Oh no, I don't think it is. Oh my god. It smells really good. Okay, we just established that was too fast. Smells really good. I'm getting impatient. I just want to add the whole thing. Oh no. Fudge it. Okay, wow. Okay. It's not that bad. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's no big deal. Oh my goodness. It feels like cooling wet sand. Dry sand. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Now the next step is to like put it in your little molds. I forgot to tell you you're gonna need molds. Is this top and bottom or bottom and top? Just top. Right? Oh no, see? Okay. Because you have to pack it in real tight. Oh, I'm getting excited. Oh my god. Oh, it's cute. Oh, look at this. It's so pretty. You see that? It's so pretty. This is so cute. Let's make more. Pack them in real tight. Ooh.
Both sides. And then you put a little extra just so it could connect.
Fill in the gaps. And then I just squish them in together. They look like little planets. I don't think I have enough for more. That means I'm gonna have to make more. Okay, that's it. So you have to leave them. How much do we have to leave them? She said to leave them 30 minutes in the fridge or overnight. So I'm just gonna put them in the fridge, and I mean the freezer. In the freezer. Let's see how they come out. They're so cute. Now I gotta clean it up. Can I just say real quick, please put your notifications on so that you can know when I post my next video, because I won't be able to do it every single Friday like I wanted to, or just please put your notifications. You won't miss a video of mine. And thank you so much for those of you who have been subscribing and watching my videos. I really appreciate you. And yeah, let's keep going. And okay, so it's been 30 minutes. It's been in the freezer and I'm getting impatient and I got stuff to do, so I'm just gonna open it and hopefully it works. I mean, how can it not work? You know, all it has to do is bzzz, right? Okay, I guess it wouldn't work if it came apart, right? I don't think it's gonna come apart. Let's see, let's open it up. Just pull it, just pull it. It came apart. Oh man. Oh no. Boo, that sucks. So you gotta learn to be patient. Again, I guess. Oh, but it's so cold and nice. You know? Wah, wah, wah. No harm, no foul. Okay. No worries. Learn from our mistakes and we keep going. Where's the mistakes? What did we learn? We learn to be patient. We learn to be patient. You gotta be patient. Things are not gonna happen right away. You gotta learn, gotta learn. Gotta learn to be patient. Right? Take two. So this time I decided to wait until the next morning. This is the next morning, and tap it real quick and hope it doesn't fall. Look.
It's so cool. Okay. They can see. Drop it. Whoa! The first bath bomb. It made yellow. Wow. I want to go shower and take a bath. I want to try that. Can we try that? Oh, it smells so good. Feel it. Feel it. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's just so cool. Oh my gosh. Wait, go more bottom, go more down. You can feel little flakes. It's so cool. Look at my hair, it's so yellow. I really want to use this in bath. Can I go shower?
It's yellow.
Can I go shower?
This is not for shower. This is for bath.
Yeah, I want to go. I want to go bath. I want to go bath.